Not quite the flavor I expected at all. Hey guys, it's Slushy. Now, I decided to do my first mukbang or mukbang, however you pronounce it, and I'm using my PS4 headset because it has the quality mic. I love it. I'm gonna be getting an actual microphone for ASMR videos and mukbangs or whatever, and just in general vlogs and stuff. But for now, this is what I'm gonna deal with. So today I have an interesting lineup. So I was in the store and I found a bunch of gummy food, like different items that would be actual food. A few of them are completely bogus and weird, but especially one of them in specific. But the others are sort of okay, I guess. But we're going to be doing this, and I'm not going to be super disgusting like some of the other mukbangers. I mean, they make it disgusting. They make you not want to eat what the person's eating. I don't want to be like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is this hamburger thing. I don't even know what this is made out of. At the bottom here, though, it has these green things. Let's try it. What the hell is this? I would say it's pickle. No, there's pickle there. I guess this is supposed to be a lettuce. I'm not a fan of the lettuce. I'm going to complain to Burger King. It's super tough. No, thank you. Hold the lettuce. I can't even tell what this is. It has a weird color to it. I think these are supposed to be pickles? I can't be too sure because there's not a whole lot left. That's supposed to be tomato and cheese in the form of gummy bears. But I can't tell what this is. They don't taste that good. So far, none of this has really tasted any particularly good. Hasn't been bad. But boy, has it certainly not been good. There seems to be something else here. What is this? Oh, I guess that's supposed to be the burger. That's a tiny burger. I want my money back. So we got the cheese, tomato, gummy bear. Boy, is that gummy. God, it's tough to bite through. You know, that's actually the best part of this thing so far. But let me try one of this piece of the bun. It's so bland. Now this, wait, is this supposed to be the tomato? I think this is the tomato and that other stuff was the hamburger. So far, honestly, the cheese and tomato taste a lot better than the hamburger itself. Let's try the, wait, this is the tomato. So the cheese and the sauce or the ketchup. So this is the tomato. I like the tomato. Sorry for the hesitation. But you know what? After a good meal, you just want to have a drink, right? Sadly, at this restaurant, all they give you is cola strips, which essentially look like worms. A lot like worms. I'm just going to ball it up because that's the easiest way to eat it, I guess. Okay. Super faint taste of cola. I kind of need my own water, like an actual refreshment, because this stuff is thick, like really thick. All right, moving on. So, you've had your burger, you've had a sip of your drink. Now, you can't leave out the fries. So, who comes up with this? Who literally comes up with this kind of stuff? Doesn't have a smell. Really crunchy. Really gummy. And it tastes like lemon. Why? That's interesting as hell. Not quite the flavor I expected. At all. On a side note, they are good. The lemon's kind of odd, especially when I'm going into it like, I mean, granted, you're not going to get the fry flavor in a gummy drink or in a gummy thing, but I wouldn't think lemon out of all the flavors. So the last thing, you finished your full meal, right? Now what you have is the dessert. This looks like I can go into diabetic coma from it. But let's see. They really don't want you to open this. Okay, come on. Wow, it's a pleasant smell. If it's as good as it smells, then I might enjoy it. But it kind of looks really nice, actually. If it'll come off here. It's actually really attractive. Because you see the little hearts on it. Has hearts, and I don't know what the hell that is. But yeah, it looks nice. Let me try one of these things. See what this is. Oh no. Why? Why? Who made these and thought it would be a good idea? We got a lip. For some reason, I'm going to eat a lip. Mmm. That's good. I like the lip. So far, it's the best part of this. It's falling apart. Okay then. By default, we're going to eat a heart next. This might sound weird. Whenever I said it, I'm going to eat a heart next. Don't think about it too much. That's pretty good too. That's not bad. Let me try this. I think this is marshmallow. If this is marshmallow, I'll be cool with it. No coconut, please. Oh. It's dreamy and it's not coconut. However, I suspect this thing is. That's marshmallow too, dude. I already know this is a marshmallow. I'm not even going to try to bite into that. So we've tried everything here. Jeez. I'm going into a diabetic coma probably. I'll give it a... Jeez. This will be a low score since everything pretty much sucked. Well, the gummy bears were good. The lips were fantastic. The mushrooms. I mean, the marshmallows were just muy bueno. And the cola strips, not a lot. It doesn't taste a lot like cola like I expected. If you've ever had the Haribo bears or whatever, those taste a lot more like cola than these pieces of junks. The fries, the burgers sucked, except like I said, except for the gummy bears. The dessert was okay. Most everything on it I enjoyed, except for the the super stretchy stuff. The super like the hearts and these things, whatever this is. If I can grab it, these things suck. This is the worst part of it. The worst part of it, right here. Ugh. When I eat candy, I don't want it to be like super, super crunchy. Like, I don't mind a little crunch, but that's too much crunch for me. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.